Warm greetings to you all. I'm really sorry that I can't be with you at this important clean cooking forum in Phnom Penh. It's really great that so many of you have come and are reconnecting with old friends, making new friends, but above all, sharing experiences and good practices in the important work that you're doing. It's work that saves lives, that helps to improve livelihoods, that will empower women, that will protect the environment through the creation of a thriving global market for clean cookstoves and fuels. I'm very honoured to have been invited last September to be part of the Leadership Council of the Global Alliance for Clean Cookstoves. And I share the ambition of the Global Alliance to reach 100 million households with clean cooking by 2020. And yet, I also invite us to examine whether that is ambitious enough. After all, we know that at least 2.6 billion, mainly women, still cook on open fires, still use coal, wood, animal dung, other biomass, and ingest fumes. And I'm sure, like many of you, certainly I was very shocked to learn from new research that perhaps 4 million people die a year from indoor air pollution, not the 2 million that we had previously thought. So it's a huge health problem, as well as being a terrible environmental problem because of deforestation. Can we be more ambitious? My foundation, the Mary Robinson Foundation Climate Justice, has been looking at ways in which we can use existing social protection systems in countries to link with energy gadgets like clean cookstoves. We're talking with the World Bank about the World Bank piloting this idea in a number of countries. I'm sure that some of you can think of ways to use the existing social protection systems, which is how governments identify their poor and know where they are and actually have cash vouchers or other ways of trying to support them in a productive way, and some safety net programs and health programs, etc. Why not clean cookstoves? I think this is an idea that you might think about. All of the issues that you will be talking about were brought home to me very forcefully when I was in Malawi in January. I went with President Joyce Banda to a project where clean cookstoves were being promoted. We met with the women who were making these cookstoves locally, with local pottery and local kilns, and they were fine cookstoves. And I was delighted that my own university, Trinity College Dublin, was piloting a project where the heat from these new cookstoves could be used to charge mobile phones. And that seemed to me to be a very good match, because charging mobile phones, as we know, is also extraordinarily important and can itself generate income in poor communities. So there are new ideas, but we also need to scale up the ambition. And I look to you to give leadership and to say 100 million by 2020, but let's go for a much higher figure, say 1 billion by 2025. Why not? This is a human rights issue, access to affordable, renewable energy for the poorest. And you're the people who can give leadership on this. So I wish you well, and I'm determined to be at the Clean Cooking Forum in 2 years' time. All the best, and thank you.